Today's simple tip is pre-made to-do list templates. They're extremely useful for those who do not have the time or skills to create an effective to-do list. At the same time, pre-made templates could be useful in new areas, or for those who have used to-do lists for a long time and have lost important features due to routine factors. Different pre-made templates provide outlines for specific tasks like household chores or work projects. First, find a website or app that contains templates for your preferred tasks. Choose one that suits your current needs and customize it to fit your unique workflow. Working on tasks, sort them by deadline, complexity, or importance. For example, you could prioritize your tasks based on their due dates, with the most pressing tasks at the top of your list. This will allow you to optimize your tasks and ensure that you meet your deadlines. Alternatively, you might rank your tasks based on their complexity or importance. This will ensure that you allocate enough time and resources to complete them effectively. It is critical to review the list format, because new tasks or projects may require the incorporation of additional categories or sections to your template. For example, you may find that you need to add new categories or sections to your template to accommodate new tasks or projects. Using pre-made templates can boost productivity by providing structure and promoting organization. Regular review and optimization of tasks can help achieve goals efficiently.